Yeah, from right lane, number 1 in line. Still holding at the light. And vehicle's taken off eastbound Flushing, still running no lights, westbound through Dickinson on University. Still eastbound Bristol crossing through Saginaw.
Traffic crash at Custer, continue.
All right, trying to turn south on the red arrow, did not make the corner a little bit, hit the curb. Driver is out, just dropped something, picked it up. He's running east or westbound. No, he's behind the first house, west side of the road, a red arrow, working his way southwest. All right, just discarded an item in the woods. He's continuing southbound now. He's on in the power lines. He just popped out. He's out on Penn Galley now, on the sidewalk. I'd be walking eastbound. Yep, the cars that just pulled up, he's 2 houses ahead of you on the sidewalk. He's on the sidewalk. About 4 more steps, it's going to be there. About right there.
23 traffic, got the firearm here.
Copy, firearm recovered. 2 time, go ahead.